welcome to this round of Ed Talks, where creativity meets careers and where students just don't study media, but they also create the future of entertainment. Let's do a deep dive into Sail University, where they turn your passion into a profession. And to discuss that, we have with us today Anu Kalhan from Sail University. Hi Anu.
Hi Ganga.
Anu, for Indian students watching today, what actually makes your program so world-renowned?
What I love about Full Sail is the hands-on and project-based work that the students experience in over about 110 studios that Full Sail has. The latest addition is the Drone Innovation Center, which is close to about 8,000 square feet. So imagine working in these kind of studios, experiencing what the real world is out there, working in a Dolby Dub stage, working on real films, real musicals with real artists, working maybe with Disney, Stranger Things. So that's what makes Full Sail very different from the real experience.
Okay, that's great. Now, Full Sail alumni have won great amounts of awards, Oscars, Grammys, Emmys, and major gaming awards, right? So, how does that legacy translate into career opportunities for your current students?
Great question, Ganga. What our alumni love, and a lot of them who have won the Game Awards and Oscars and Grammys, is networking with the new incoming students. They sometimes just walk onto the campus, talk to the students, so our students can find mentors in these people and network with them. I've had a lot of instances where one of these guys, I know his name is Larry Katz, he actually walked on to the sets of one of the students to just guide her, mentor her. Imagine learning from such people, networking with them, finding job opportunities as well.
Tell us some more about maybe a couple of alumni or so who would, genuinely inspire an Indian student and get that feeling of, oh, that could be me moment.
Wow. Oh, the list is really long. But how about I start with games, because games is huge in India. And every student who is watching this knows and has heard about Discord. Jason Citron, he is the co-founder and CEO of Discord and is also our alumni. And now to name some people in the music industry or who won Oscars as well. There's Leslie Braithwaite, and I take that name because I've met him and he actually walked on, just to our campus just to introduce himself to us. He's won 6 Grammys and he's worked with Cardi B and Beyonce and so many people. Another name that just pops up because that was a recent Oscar is Gary Rizzo. He's won his latest Oscar for the best sound for the movie F1, and the previous one include Dunkirk and Inception.
That's amazing, Anu. Wow. So, in the skill versus degree debates, now in the creative field, of course, skills would matter more than degrees. So, what is it that Full Sail offers in its portfolio towards graduates that makes employers choose them?
So, Full Sail, because we are a career school, the entire focus is on developing skills which are important in the industry that these students want to go into. So let's take, for example, working in animation, right? How would you develop your skills? So what our students really experience is real world projects, working in the real-time studios, working on projects like, and I say again, Stranger Things. I have students who worked on projects like Frozen or even Jungle Book. So that is what really stands out, and the entire degree will focus on the skills needed for that particular industry. So that kind of translates into the curriculum.
Okay. So Indian students are really more focused on STEM designated programs because it gives them an OPT extension. So does Full Sail offer STEM programs, especially in gaming, tech, media technology?
Yeah, Yeah, I'm happy to announce that Full Sail has now introduced a Master's in Computer Science, so completely STEM designated. And these computer science students also will have an experience in the Drone Innovation Center, which I talked about. And the other Master's STEM designated degree is a game design degree. Apart from that, the bachelor's, we have computer science, IT, cybersecurity, and a very, very interesting, fun-loving program called simulation engineering.
Oh. Okay, so now for the ROI punch. Yeah. So how should a student evaluate ROI on a creative program, unlike a business or an engineering degree?
Great question again, Ganga. Now, a lot of ways you can calculate the ROI. One is how expensive is the degree? That's the first question, right? So we have a lot of scholarships. Currently, there's a big scholarship on the undergrad applicants. So you could look up our scholarship website, look at the scholarships. Second, the degree at the bachelor's level is less than 2 years, so 20 months technically. So that also saves your living expense. Now when we come to the master's, so a lot of scholarships again, students can always look up our website or get in touch with the Canam team to understand more about the scholarships. Apart from that, the major ROI in what I see is you are ready for the industry. You will be treated as if you have already interned at Full Sail. So your resume already stands out, because if you're doing a bachelor's, you're already adding 2 years of experience like an intern on your resume, and if you're at a master's level, you're adding a year, which kind of looks into what an employer is looking at. So better employability chances, faster traction into the industry that you want to get into.
Awesome, Anu. That was great. And actually, it's not the degrees that matters, but it's the decisions. So you need to actually think over it. Look up the programs at Full Sail and make a wise decision. Meanwhile, definitely connect with our Team Canam and follow us on all our socials, because your next move will shape your future. Thank you and see you soon.
Thank you so much, Ganga, for giving this opportunity.